Hello guys, I know you're excited to be here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to a quick editing on this portrait picture that I took. Okay, the model over here is Joyce. She's a beautiful model. I'll drop a link to her Instagram handle so you can also patronize her or visit her. Okay, now looking at the face, you can see that there are a few blemishes. First of all, we're going to use our patch tools, you understand, to remove the blemishes. But first of all, we'll duplicate the layer into two, then we can be able to remove the blemishes in the image. So many of you will be asking why we duplicate the layer. We duplicate the layer in case you have any mistake that you have done and you would like to, go back. That's an easy way to go back, or an easy way to, still have your image not being disrupted or damaged. So that's a very important key. Take your time to remove the blemishes. Don't be in a haste, because if you don't take out the blemishes in the right way, you end up damaging the image. So stay tuned as you watch me remove mine. So this is before and after. So guys, we're going to head to our frequency separation by using Retouch in Academy. Okay, then I'll click on the 16 bits. And once I click on the 16 bits, the Gaussian blur I want to use for this image is 9. Why 9? The picture is sharp and I want to also maintain a natural looking. I don't want it to be over sharp because I'm using the radius of 9 to do the frequency separation. So chat. So guys, now once the frequency separation goes, I make use of collecting tool in my retouch. I close the high highlights, then use my mixer brush. First of all, I start from the highlights. That's the main important thing. Start from the highlights, mix it together, then go to the shadow, mix it together. Then from there, I'll head to the other aspect of the picture. So you just take time and watch me how I do it. if you watch the before and after, you see there's no much difference. You just want to make it look natural and with more texture on it. So that's it. Okay guys, we are done with the brushing of the body. So now if you notice, you see some little blemishes that you can see now. So what we are going to do, move over to the high frequencies layer, then use our clone tools, then we'll pick a place and patch out all those little blemishes on the face, so that the face will rhyme up together. You understand? So that's what I'm doing now. I'm removing the little blemishes I can see from this aspect of view. So stay tuned and watch me do that. So guys, after the frequency separation, we have to do our dodge and burn so that the picture will come out more out, to come out. So first of all, we'll apply our dodge and burn action. In case you are in need of this dodge and burn action, you let me know in the comment section so I can make it available for you guys. Okay, so first of all, we get the highlights and highlights. As you can see, the highlight is much, so you can also reduce the opacity of the highlights on the picture. So I'll reduce mine to around that 50 something, so that I can be able to make it look natural. Yeah. Okay, we are done. We've made the this. So the next thing we're going to do now is we are going to do. So now our color grading, I have an action for that. So let me know if you need you like my color grading and you want something like this, then I'll make it available for you guys. So this is the picture. It has been color graded. Now we are cleaning the eyes. All the whole actions are available, like they are available. Just let me know if you need them, then I'll make it available for you. I'll make a video for it and make it available so that you guys can be able to have access to all these actions. So it's an action that made my workflow more easy. So that's it. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I think we have come to end of the video. I hope you understand the video. If you don't, let me know. So this is the before and after the color grading. Thank you.